How to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network on Windows 10. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi can't connect to this network on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do, just simply go with your Wi-Fi icon, right click on it, go with troubleshoot options, and it will run the troubleshooter for Wi-Fi and it will detect your problems. Just simply select Wi-Fi and then go with next. And in my case, I don't have any problem. So it says troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. But if you had any problems, then it will identify it and it will fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution. You need to again go with your Wi-Fi, right click on it and then go with open network and internet settings. And it will take you to your settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and go with advanced network settings. And here you will have an option of change adapter settings. And if you don't have that option, then there's another way. You need to simply search for control panel. On the control panel, you need to go with network connections, network and sharing center. And here you need to go with change adapter settings, which is on the left side. And here you will have your Wi-Fi. Just right click on it, go with properties. Now you will have the Wi-Fi properties right here. Go with the option of Internet Protocol version 4 and then go with properties. Now under properties, on the first you need to go with obtain an IP address automatically. And on the next one also, you need to select DNS server address automatically. Once you've selected both these as automatically, you need to go with OK and save. Now once you've saved, you need to restart your device and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, the next solution is to just open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to search for network reset. Click on network reset. Now here you will have the network reset. Just click on it and go with reset now. Once you've reset your network, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the other solution is you just need to simply search for proxy settings. Search for proxy settings and then click on the proxy system settings and make sure that you have an option of use a proxy server and it is turned off. If it is turned on, just go and turn your proxy off. Once you turn that off, now the other thing you need to do is just simply go with search and search for command prompt. Go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and now you need to enter some commands. So the first command is ipconfig space / flush DNS and then hit the enter. And it might take some time, so wait till it loads to 100%. And after that, you need to enter the next command, which is netsh space winsock space reset. And again, hit the enter and again wait for a few minutes. And after that, restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.